Hi everyone. So in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to learn how do we enable the Dynamics 365 ERP plugin in CoWork. It has a couple of setups. For a few setups are in the admin center, then in the Power Platform admin, and then one in the F&O, and then you can use the CoWork with the Dynamics 365 ERP plugin. So let's look at each step, what you need from this co-work perspective. Uh, this is the MS Learn, which you see on your screen. It has given all the steps, so you can follow this, but I'll just try to explain you each one of them. So the first is to have your admin center enabled with the Copilot Frontier, Co-work Frontier program, and also enable the data was data available in M365 Copilot first. So let's look at in the admin center first. So in the admin center, you go to on the left hand side, you will find agents and all agent, and here you can just search for the CoWork, and then you will find this, and you can install the CoWork for you. And then once you click on this, you will find all the details, and then you can have and manage all the users and the permissions which you would like to provide here. And if you want to uninstall, you can uninstall as well. Now, once that is done, now next thing is you need to enable the data was data available in M365 Copilot by going to the Copilot and then the settings. Now, for that, what you need to do, you need to go to view all, and then this is where you will find the data was data available in M365 Copilot. And here also you can control all the users to whom you would like to give the access to this. Now, once that is done, the next thing which you need to do is you need to make sure that you have the right role in the admin center for that. And one of the role which is required is finance and operation basic user. So what you can do, you can go to your environment and you can go to the roles which are available in admin center and make sure that this role is added to all the users to whom you are enabling this co-work. Once that is done, you also need to make sure that you have the MCP enabled for your finance and operations. And I have created a detailed video how you enable MCP feature and what it is in the same playlist. You can go and watch that. So that's another prerequisite which you need to have it. So now once that is done, you are ready to do use the co-work. But there is one small setup which is very specific to co-work you need to do is this step one I just walked you through, and then the step two is the enabling MCP which we talked. Then the third is you need to add this app ID to your system admin. And what you do is you go to finance and operations, system admin, allow MCP clients, and this is where you can add this client ID and then enable this. With that, now you are all set to use the CoWork in your environment with the M365 Copilot. And let's see how you can use that, the last step. You log into your CoWork or you log into your M365, and then you can go to agents, all agents, search for CoWork. And once you enable that, once you have the license like M365 Copilot license, then you can just go here. And then to use the plugin, you click on this and then click on manage, and then you can just turn this on. The another thing is then which environment this cowork is going to access. You need to click on the setting option and select your environment. And once that is done, you are all connected with the cowork ERP plugin. You can ask any questions. So I will ask a small question and then let's see if it answers to me. So I'm asking a simple question that provide me the analysis of all the purchase orders in USMF by status and by the vendor. And let's see what cowork does here. So it is going and starting its work on the request. Now what it does is that whenever you ask anything to the co-work, it try to find the data entities or the form or whichever tool is required, but it also creates the plan that what are the different steps it needs to execute to get the output of the query which you have provided. And with that, it has provided by the status, the open purchase orders, percentage, and then by the vendor and everything. With that, you can do a lot of other analysis using the CoWork. I will be posting a lot of use cases now going forward and see how it works. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do share, like, and comment if you want to know more about this. Thank you.